It was 12 o'clock at midnight. The whole house was completely silent. Sarah was holding the same burnt book. Its pages were burning on thereon. Suddenly, blood started dripping from the walls, and a girl came out of their mirror. Her eyes was completely black, and her hair touched the floor. She said in cold voice, "You woke me up. Now you have to set me free." Sarah got scared. She heard a whisper from behind. "Don't read it. It will take you too." But Sarah did not lose courage. She opened the last page of the book and started reading the prayers written on it loudly. The moment she finished the last word, there was a loud scream. The whole house shook. And then everything stopped. In the morning when people come, the house was completely normal. No body, no shadow, no curse. Only 2 burned pages of the book were left in Sarah's hand. On the last page of the book was written, "A curse only ends when someone speaks the truth despite being afraid." Bye-bye.